Hello everyone and welcome to Todd's Tech Bites. I'm Todd Ruopp and my guest today is John Goodpasture. John has completed a new textbook called Project Management the Agile Way, Making It Work in the Enterprise. And this is our fourth Tech Bite about how his book helps project managers adopt Agile methods. John, thank you for being with me.
Todd, it's my pleasure to be at the table again.
In our first session, you outlined your top 5 ideas about Agile methods. Today, let's get into your fourth point. Agile is about small teams, 6 to 12 people, who can pretty much manage themselves. Is that right?
Right, Todd. Small teams are the key to Agile methods. Everything is done with teams. A team is a performance unit, internally cohesive, multidisciplined, and collaborative among members. The performance unit is a key concept. In practice, what it means is we can benchmark team performance for throughput, the ability to get requirements into production, and use that benchmark for predictable planning. Probably the most important thing is that each team member make a personal commitment to the collective success of the team. A team member is not successful unless the team is successful. Being accountable for outcomes, results that hold value for the customer, is every team member's mantra.
So tell us how to be successful with teams.
Well, actually, there's been a lot of study about why teams don't work and why others do. The main points for success are a compelling mission that attracts commitment and accountability, a safe environment where the nemesis can speak out and defeat groupthink, an acceptance that collaboration is the way to work. There cannot be secrets among team members, and an environment that encourages communication by osmosis, so that a trusting relationship builds strong team membership. This last point is key if the team is to be virtual or distributed. Frankly, there's no trust among strangers, so virtual members must become acquainted, if not well known to each other. Although Covey tells us that everyone brings a small deposit of trust into any relationship.
John, are we talking about several small teams or big teams? How does this all really work?
Well, the best results come from small teams, typically 6 to 8 people. If there's more work to do, it's better to add more teams than to add more people to the same teams. And perhaps you'll need a steering group led by the project manager to keep it all straight. The key, though, is good communication, even more so if the teams are virtual. Virtual teams have distance, time, and culture as going-in obstacles. There's really no reason to add communications to their list of problems.
John, I like what you're saying there. To learn more, I'll bet there's a lot more in your book.
Yeah, there's a whole chapter devoted to teamwork with many references to other works that readers may be interested in, especially how to avoid the dysfunctional team.
I'm sure that's going to help a lot of project managers adopt Agile methods. Where can people find your book?
Well, it's available from Amazon.com, and really all the online retailers carry it, including PMI, the Project Management Institute. And listeners can email me with questions, and I'll take a look at them and try to answer.
John and I will get into other parts of Agile methods in future episodes of Todd's Tech Bites. On behalf of my guest, John Goodpasture, and myself, thanks for listening. Todd's Tech Bites is a production of Unleashing Performance, Incorporated.